Hi, hello. I'm finishing to make the new version of CEB for the humans, the 0.4 version, and I got some updates that I wanted to show you for releasing it. It's soon to be released. Now I made some organization part because I added so many things and it was a bit difficult to see all in one screen. So you can enable what part that you want. We already had the core, which you can select a video, convert it to animation, apply, not apply, import or export the animation in PKL files and read it and import it. We also have the smooth options, the smooth PKL and the smooth Giacomo Spacconi. We have the foot height lock feature. I changed it a little bit, but just the organization, it works the same. And the export tools, the create the T-pose on frame 0 and the remove location. And now, that's the new thing. We can now make a bunch of actions that we can use it on an NLA track without going to or dealing with the NLA editor. For most people, it's a bit complicated. And the NLA action, you have a list. What can we do? We can, just to a quick example, I'm going to import some animations. For example, let me get this one. I'm going to import it. Oh, another thing I added. We have use selected character. In this case, we don't have a character here, so if I press it, I can't import. So I import it without the use the selected character. And you see there's an action in here. We can rename it to, for example, I can copy the name of the file. It's a walk secret. Let me remove this part and we renamed it. I want to import another motion, for example, stomp clap, and I can use the same character so I don't have many characters on the screen. I can use the same one, and you have another action here that we can get the name. Let me expand it. Rename, and I can add another one, carrying weight, and import on that same character. Okay, now I have 3 actions. I can get rid of the core because we won't use it. And let me open the NLA track. We can add, let me see. Let me open NLA view just to show. You have this. It's not an NLA action yet. We can add a track. It's gonna add the one that it's loaded. In this case, it will be the carrying weight. So let me change. I wanna use the secret run first, so I can load it. And we have the secret run. So we have the secret run running. And I'm gonna add a track. And we will have the secret run here. But we also want to add this one, the carrying weight. Let me change the name here, the carrying weight. And I can simply add it here, and it will have both actions, but you see that in the transition it becomes very odd. That's when we can add a transition. We can use this button to add a transition before the action and a transition after the action. And we can use this to add a transition before. For example, we have this secret run, we can add after, or the carry weight we can add before. You can see that it enables only the ones that you can press. Let me press here. It's gonna add 5 frames of transition, and it's added, and you see here also the transition. Now let's play, and you have a transition that you didn't have before. And for example, if you wanna, we have separate run, carrying weight, and we can use this tempo clap. We can add already with a transition. Just press here, and you have the transition and the new action. So this way you can make a complex animation in a much more simple way. Here is an example of what we have done. 3 different animations in one go. I hope you enjoyed it. This is soon to be released, probably this week, and see you on the next video. Well, I won't see you in reality. Probably you will see me. Not actually me, just what I'm doing on the computer. Bye.